Alright, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and review this, I don't know what you call it. Let me see what they call it online. Mousepad ergonomic support keyboard mouse wrist pad combination set. So this is a 3-piece set that I got off of Amazon. So I've been working from home for the past year because we're pretty far into COVID at this point. And a few weeks ago, I kind of freaked out because like this part of my hand started hurting, and I just thought, okay, so this is it. This is where I get carpal tunnel and I'm in pain for the rest of my life. But thankfully that went away after like a day. But it inspired me to look for something to try to help with some wrist support or something. And I needed a mouse pad anyways. I was just using like a notepad as my mouse pad, so it was time to buy one. And I looked through all sorts of different patterns. There were lots of brands that looked all the same basically. And so I didn't really know which one to pick, but I liked this galaxy pattern, so I picked that. So this is what it looks like. And some of the reviews talked about a chemical smell. I don't think there was a chemical smell with mine. It did come wrapped in some plastic. I think each piece was wrapped in plastic that was non-recyclable, if that matters to you. It wasn't plastic film, it was like that hard, crinkly plastic. Yeah, but I think it looks pretty nice. The color is nice. One thing that people mention that is definitely true is like it doesn't flatten out. Like this is kind of thin and it doesn't really flatten out, but I don't really care. It works well for me. I really like, it does feel nice on my wrist. I mean, I don't know, I'm sure there's better ones, but I notice a difference. It does feel pretty nice having like some support now for my wrist. It came with this coaster, and the coaster is kind of different. It's plastic, kind of a harder plastic, and then it's got a rubbery back, but same pattern, matches really well, looks nice. And then this thing down here, yeah, matches with the thing, looks nice. Someone complained that there was more, it was thicker for your left hand and thinner for the right hand, and I hadn't really noticed it. Like, now that I look at it, I see it's like shaped this way. It didn't really bother me. Like, I don't know, it still holds my wrist here at this thinner area. But yeah, I like it. I'm happy with the purchase. I think it was like, I can't remember how much it is, but yeah, I would definitely recommend this.